Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And before I proceed, I would like to mention that I have started uploading content on my Hindi channel again. I'm extremely sorry for not uploading contents regularly, but I have been receiving so many messages that I really felt ashamed on myself. खुद पे मतलब शर्म आ रही थी. And yes, I have started uploading again. So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you'll find a link in the description. You'll find videos in the afternoon during the European session. So in the morning, you'll find the idea about the market in this English channel, and by afternoon you'll get the idea about the market on the Hindi channel. So if you really want to understand the charts in Hindi, the levels in Hindi, then please subscribe, and that's it. Okay, and for limited period of time, as you all know, that I have started the world's most affordable trading workshop. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, serious source of side income, then you can also give it a shot. Link is in the description, and this also, everything is in the description for $2 per month. Signals, yes, unbelievable. Okay, anyways, this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD. But before we discuss about the chart of Euro USD, we must understand what is going on in the chart of DXY. So if you have watched my yesterday's video, then we talked in detail about the importance of the level here, 97.75. And yesterday when the selling pressure was so high, okay, I was thinking that market would break the level of 97.75, but surprisingly, market is still giving its best fight. DXY is giving its best fight to protect the level of 97.75. So you can see that overall market is still sustaining above this level here. So we can still see that DXY is an uptrend. Of late, there has been a selling pressure, heavy selling pressure, but still market is somehow maintaining its bullish setup. Okay, just keep in mind that 97.75 is a very strong support zone. Okay, I have already explained detail in my yesterday's video. In case market breaks it, then 97.40 will be the next important level, 97.40. But if market breaks 97.40 due to geopolitical factors or news, okay, then there will be a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. And as we all know that if DXY starts falling, we will see heavy buying on the chart of Euro USD. That's why knowing about the chart of DXY, the body language of DXY is also very important. So keep your eyes on the level of 97.75. So just make sure that, okay, your one eye is on DXY always. And if DXY breaks the 97.75, then yes, the next level will be 97.40. Okay, and if 97.40 is gone, then things will be very difficult for DXY, and Euro USD will start flying, I guess. Now let's understand Euro USD. Right now trading at 1.1165. This is the current market price here. Okay, if you are looking for a safe trading opportunity where the risk to reward ratio is good enough, where the risk is very less, then Euro USD is not the chart right now, because you can see that we do have multiple trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD, but risk is also very much higher because DXY is standing at support here. We need to keep our eye on DXY as well. Geopolitics is also going on, so things are very tough for Euro USD right now. So just make sure that if market comes down to 1.1135 to 1.1130 level, around this level, okay, you can expect some kind of retracement. This is a retracement level on the chart of Euro USD, and the second retracement level is 1.1120 to 1.11110. These two are the retracement level for the chart of Euro USD. So as you can see, the right now market has formed a red candle, and market is trying to go for retracement or correction. We don't know yet. Okay, so if you find market testing this level, around this level, we can expect some kind of reversal again. Okay, listen to me carefully. If market comes down to this level, we can expect some kind of reversal. If market bounces from here like this, then you can also go for a buy. Just make sure that you have also taken additional confirmation from the chart of DXY. Okay, just make sure that when you are taking a buy position on Euro USD, DXY is under selling pressure. Okay, if you see that or if you are taking a buy position on Euro USD and DXY is also going up, then that particular trade will be very risky. So when you are taking a buy position on retracement at Euro USD, okay, just make sure that DXY is under selling pressure. That's it. And the next important level for Euro USD is around 1.1200. 1.1200 and 1.1250. These two are the important levels for the chart of Euro USD as resistance, because these two resistances belong to the weekly chart. If market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then I will suggest you not to take any buy position around this level, because this level belongs to the weekly chart and there is a possibility that market will reverse. Okay, in this particular zone 1.1200, 1.1250, do not take any buy position, because at any point you may see some reversal. If market reverses from this particular zone, then you can take a sell position. But again, make sure that DXY is under selling pressure. But I think that DXY somehow more or less DXY will take support. Okay, and we will see some kind of correction on the chart of Euro USD. If DXY takes support and starts bouncing from the support levels that I mentioned, you can expect selling pressure on the chart of Euro USD as well. Overall, things are quite complicated, I know. Okay, if you're new to the market, then probably you are finding it very difficult to understand. Then I'm extremely sorry, because of late the market has become a little bit complicated after the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out. Okay, so there are multiple opportunities also in the market. Those are simple in comparison to the chart of Euro USD. You can try those levels as well. Just keep in mind that this is a resistance zone in the market from the weekly chart, so we can expect some kind of reversal. So do not take any buy position. If market reverses or shows strong price rejection like this, not like this, then you can take a sell position. Otherwise, try to look for buy at retracement only. These are the retracement levels. And as I said, keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, because DXY will be very important. Because since yesterday, okay, we can see that somehow it is trying, okay, giving its best shot to maintain its bullish structure. That's it. Hopefully I've understood. If I have missed anything, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And whatever you do, please follow strict risk management, because any good trade setup may fail. It's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.